friends, today I'm gonna show you how to shorten the straps on the dress. There are two ways where you can shorten the straps. For example, if we have one strap that doesn't have no seam here, then the best way is to shorten it from the back side. And for example, I did mark the line how much I have to take in. For example, let's say we don't have the seam and we have to take it in the back side. So first what I'm going to do is remove the top stitch, open the seam, and then I will insert the strap inside exactly how much I have to take in and then sew it back. But since we have the seam here, you don't want to take it in from here because this seam is not going to be on a shoulder line. So this is not how we should do it. So first what I'm going to do is to measure exactly how much I have to take in. Let's say I have 2 inches, and I will also double check on our shoulder because we want to make sure both shoulders are taking in same amount. So let's measure here. So this one is almost 2 3/4. So let's say, for example, I want to double check if first they are equal. Sometimes from the factory there can be different amounts, so we can see they're both equal. So if I have to take in, let's say one shoulder I marked 2 inches, another one I guess I pulled too much maybe, and I marked 2 3/4. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take in 2 1/4. So I will take like a middle line right here. So I'm gonna take in 2 1/4 total. So we're gonna shorten from the seam of the shoulder. First, what we have to do is turn to the wrong side. Okay, now I'm gonna take my seam ripper, but before then I have to take 2 1/4 and split it in a half. So it's gonna be 1 inch and a little bit. So I'm gonna mark for myself so I know how much I have to open this strap. Alright, so I did mark. Now I know I have to open just a little bit over the mark that I needed. I'm gonna open, and the direction sometimes varies, but I will open the one that it seems like it's a seam, not with the top stitch, right? Okay, so as you see here we have a simple seam. So what we need to do is just taking in. For more comfortability, I am opening a little bit more just to make sure it's comfortable for me to take it in. Now I'm gonna open the strap and I'll make sure to adjust the fabric same line, right? I'll add a pin so it will hold my strap, and then I will measure exactly how much I have to take in. So it's all the way here. So I'm gonna open more because I want to make sure it's comfortable for me to work. All right, now it's going to be comfortable for me to sew the strap, and I'll measure one more time. Let's say 1 inch and 2. So this is where I'm going to do the mark, and I'm going to sew it all the way. And of course you can mark the other side as well. And as you see, this one is so just like this, so make sure you are keeping exactly same thing as the dress it's made. Okay, now we're ready to make a stitch. Okay, so I did exactly how much I need to take in, and I did another stitch to make sure when I'm gonna cut it, it's gonna stay together. And I'll cut it like a quarter from the half inch that I did the top stitch. Okay, and now we're ready to turn our strap inside out. When we are turning, make sure the allowance are directed to the wrong side, so to the back side, I mean. So this is our front part, so allowance have to continue the front to the back side, just like that. Okay. Okay, so now like if you see, the straps looks great, and we just need to make sure we are sewing this by hand. So we're gonna take the needle and thread, and we're gonna sew and close this seam. Alright, so I'm gonna make sure I pull enough. Okay, and now I will start from inside to make sure I hide the knot inside. And now when we're gonna sew, we're gonna pinch it on one side and then pinch it. I hope you can see it clear what I'm doing here. If it's not comfortable, then you can do this step by step, one by one. Okay, make sure you don't pull too tight, and now I'm just gonna go couple stitches back and make a knot. And cut. Now we just need to press it very well, and our strap is ready. Okay, so as you see, the strap is pressed and it looks nice and clean.